Okay, this little video is going to be about changing the battery in my garage door opener. So this is a Chamberlain, just a standard garage door opener. If I press the button anymore, it doesn't light up. Can't get in. Okay, it shouldn't be any mechanical issues, it just should be batteries dead. So to take it apart, I'm going to take off the little clip that it uses. And then in the corner, there's a couple places for prying. So it's got a pry spot there. It's got another pry spot here where they just have a little bit more indent. Not so much on the button side, it looks really smooth. But those two spots right there on the back, right in the corner. So I'm going to start in this corner. Real simple. We'll find out what battery it uses. Okay, when I'm doing this, I'm making sure not to jam my whole screwdriver in there because we don't want to, damage any electronics. Now I'm just running it along the seam, twisting it just a little bit, and it's starting to come apart. Not hard at all. Oop, I'm going to pry a little bit on the front. It feels like it still wants to hold there, and I don't want to snap it. There we go. Almost. We'll use that little prying block. There. Okay, so what's inside? Ta-da! This half is just the buttons. This part's what matters. It's obviously got 1, 2, 3 buttons on there. Looks like just a couple plastic tabs. But the main key thing here is we're going to use this as a battery. So flat's on top. It says it is a CR2032. It's a pretty common battery. Gonna pull it out. There. That's what it lays on. This is what the battery looks like. So I'm gonna grab another. I'll try to hold it really close so you guys can see it too in the reflection maybe. A CR2032 lithium 3-volt cell. So we're gonna get one of these. I'm gonna put it in here. Hopefully my garage door opener works again. Okay, I'm back from the store. Thanks for waiting. I picked up some Energizer C2032s. So pop that out of the package. There you go. New battery. They have these stickers on the back that remind you not to feed them to baby because babies eating batteries would be a waste of good batteries. Anyway, there you go. Two sides. Positive side is going to go up. The little dimply side is going to go down. So I have this. I'll put the tabs in there and then I'm going to press it into the top. That should do it. Okay. Now that's in there. It's really just a snap fit back together. So 2 buttons on that side, so this is the way to go. Okay, that's it. I wonder if I don't know if I'll have to reprogram this or not, but it should be ready to go again. I'm going to press the button and we'll see if it lights up. Yes. In fact, I can hear my garage door working right now. So, thumbs up. It just needed new batteries. That's how you swap it. It took CR2032s, and it's just press fit. So you just pop these 2 pieces apart, take out the battery, put in a new one, and pop it back together. I hope it helps.